Hey guys, in today's video, we will learn how to receive fund or receive the amount that is sent by the other to our smart contract. So now let's try to create a new file. I will call this as accept fund.sol, and the header will be the same thing. So let's just copy this here. This is the license identifier and also the 3.0 Solidity. We are using this version range 0.8. And now let's try to create a new contract. So start with keyword contract and then the name of the contract, accept fund. And then right here, let's try to create a function so that this smart contract can receive the amount of Ether, right, Ethereum into this smart contract here. So it will be function fund. Let's call this function as fund public, and we need to use this keyword. It's payable, meaning that this can receive the Ether into this new smart contract called accept fund. All right. So right here, what we're going to right inside here, let's just first compile this, quickly show you what it's showing when we use this payable keyword. So command S on Mac and it compiles successfully. So now let's go to this tab, and right here you can see it's select the accept fund.sol, and we can click on this deploy. And now let's take a look what's here. So you can now see there's a new button, the red color. It says that this is payable, right? So now let's click on this. Nothing's happened. But next step would be we want to keep track of who sent us the amount of Ether to our contract, right? So it will require the address as well as the value or the amount of the Ether that is sent. So now let's use this mapping here. So it will be address, and what is the next one? It will be U in256, which is accepting the amount of the value, right? Amount of Ether that is sent into our smart contract. So I keep repeating that again and again, but now we have this declare this mapping address mapped to this U in256, and then this is the public, and let's just give this a name. Will be address to amount received, right? So now we have this, and we can start using this receive inside our function. Okay, so let's just quickly copy this and paste it here. So we will need to start writing the sender, and the next one will be message dot value. Okay, so it comes with this function, right? So it comes with this keyword payable. We will need to know who sent us the money and then the amount of the Ether that is sent along with this address, right? The sender. So now we have this. Let's just quickly compile this again. Successful, and try to first remove the previous one, the contract, and now try to deploy a new one. Click on the deploy button, and now we have this new contract deploy. We have the fund as well as the address to amount that is received. So now let's try to quickly copy, just using this address as an example. Copy that and paste it here. All right. So now let's try to define the value here. So we have way, GUI, and more. So the value here, we can define any value we want. So let's just say 2 GUI, right? So if you not sure about what the difference is between GUI and Ether, you can watch my another video. I have already explained about this, and I will also link it in this video as well. So let's check that out. And now get back here, we can see I defined 2 GUI, right? So what happened when I click on the fund button here? So clicking on this and then click on address to amount received. What happened? You can see the amount of value, right, in U256. This is the amount of way that we receive into this smart contract, into this contract called accept fund. Okay, so here let's try another one, right? So let's just put this one as 3 way, right? So I can also summarize a little bit as well. The 3 way, it's equal to this amount of way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 90. So this amount of way equal to 3 way, right? So now let's just try to send 3 way this time. Click on the fund and then click on the address to amount, and now you can see we have this. But the thing is that instead of like storing each value like this, we want to store the total amount of the value or the amount of way that is sent to this new contract. So how do we do it? Right here in front of the equal sign, we can just put the plus sign like this. Okay, let's recompile this. Command S, and now we can click on the deploy button, right? So this is the new deploy contract, and next step would be this time I want to send 1 way, right? 1 way, and then don't forget to copy the address here as well. Just copy that and inside here, paste it here, and click on the fund button, right? So now when I click on the address to amount, and this is the amount of way that we receive into this smart contract. So I can now change this to, let's just say 5 way, right? And then here I will click on the fund button again and then click on the address to amount, and now it adds up with the 1 way that we had previously, and now the total value or the total amount that is received is this way, which is 6 way, right? So that's how we create a smart contract using this payable keyword. Okay, so that means right now this new smart contract, it is the owner of this total amount. Okay, so if you were to add a new amount, then this value will also be adding up. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this tutorial. In next tutorial, we will look into how to get the price of Ethereum into our smart contract. Until then, see you guys in the next video.